Hey everyone, let us look at the 1Zpresso K Ultra manual coffee grinder. This premium tool features a specialized stainless steel conical burr for exceptional flavor clarity. You get effortless control using the fast external adjustment dial with over 100 precise clicks. The magnetic catch cup snaps securely in place and holds up to 40 grams of grounds. Its compact foldable handle tucks away quickly to make travel remarkably easy. Tool-free dismantling ensures you can clean the grinder in seconds. Enjoy cafe-quality coffee anywhere with this incredible portable setup. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.